Another great suggestion from the comment section here today with Reliq Health Technologies, this Canadian healthcare company. And if you're searching for it, I will show you the numbers, some of the important things here in the balance sheet. And if this shows up in your browsing feature and is recommended to you, I will do a short intro on the stock as well and relate it to one of the global megatrends. So first, the stock, the company, what it does, how it fits in a megatrend, and then we will look at some of the numbers. So if you searched for this stock and wanted an analysis, please skip a bit forward, and if you're new to the company, then listen from the beginning. Alright, so Reliq Health Technologies, this is a Canadian healthcare provider, and what they are doing is that they are looking at monitoring patients remotely and taking a look at certain vitals to see, do they need emergency care, do they need some other procedure. It's basically proactive healthcare. And why do I say that this fits into one of the global megatrends? I have some good knowledge about this sector from my upbringing and hearing things around the dinner table, and I realize also that we have an aging population with the boomer generation about to retire. Some of the older boomers already retired, and as they get older and older, the need for healthcare will only be greater, and subsequent generations are smaller indeed, and we need some way to fill this labor gap. And economists always figure this thing out. It has done in the past. Just look at peak oil, if you want to Google that, for example, a huge crisis. And now with the aging population, indeed, I believe that technology will be able to solve this as well. And remote monitoring is one of those ways, being able to reduce the need for healthcare by being proactive. So this fits into this global megatrend. It's in line with growth. All right, let's take a look at some of the numbers here for Reliq Health Technologies. In terms of assets, we can see, all right, total current assets quite solid in relation to liabilities. So the balance sheet is not in great danger. I just wanted to show this. This can be very important with healthcare companies developing, etc. But in the case for Reliq Health Technology, they actually do have some revenue. So they're selling products, they're bringing in products. In the past, take a look at the increase in revenue and then compare it to cost of revenue increase. We can see that percentage wise, the increase in cost of revenue has been a lot greater than the one in revenue. So this is not a good sign. It's been like that for some time here. Although as of the recent quarter here, we see that revenue is increasing faster than the cost of revenue. So that's a good trend if that's able to continue. And just looking at revenue growth over the years, I found some articles talking about it as well. It's been quite solid. It's been in the double digits, and this is a bullish sign for this company. Also, taking a look at overview here, we can see that Reliq Health Technologies is a small cap company. I had it up before and I still remember it's 97 million in market cap, although it doesn't want to show up right now. But this company is indeed small cap. Regarding ownership, who owns this company? This is also something I like to take a look at if I'm curious about a company. We can see that it's owned by insiders, slightly, 1.78%, but we can also see that institutions has a small share in this. So shares held by institutions, small percentage. This means that if this company switches from having just revenue growth and being measured on increase in sales to an increase in EPS, earnings per share, and institutions continue to buy in to increase their amount held, well, then we see a rocket with a twin engine powering this stock higher. So not only in valuation terms of earnings per share, but also in terms of buying pressure from institutions. This is something that I love to look at when I look at small cap companies. If there's a small percentage held by institutions, it means that this company does not yet have the sign of approval of Wall Street analysts. This means that there's a greater opportunity, if you indeed are right regarding this company, then there's a bigger upside than it would otherwise be, with the future buying pressure coming in once institutions realize that, all right, this company is good, this company is something we want to add to our fund, it's not risky anymore, other people are doing it, then they tend to follow each other like a herd of sheep in this case. So this is indeed also a bullish sign. All right, we looked at the balance sheet. There were no major red flags. We looked at revenue. It was increasing. We looked at profitability. It was still lacking. However, this stock, in my opinion, is one that I will buy shares in the future. So thank you very much for suggesting this company for me to take a look at. I've been looking for a company that fits the global megatrend of an aging population for some time now. So this was just right up my alley. Hopefully some of you guys found this content to be educational and entertaining. And as always, hope you guys make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.